Dad and Alicia get up early because Finn gets up early. Then they make breakfast for Finn. After breakfast, Finn plays with his toys in the living room. Alicia cleans the flat and Dad helps her. I get up late because we have no school on Saturday. Then I have breakfast. I eat some cornflakes and drink some milk. Then I go to the bathroom. I have a shower and clean my teeth. After that, I go to the kitchen and help Alicia. She cooks for lunch. Dad plays with Finn in the living room. After lunch, we go shopping. Dad buys vegetables in the market. Alicia and I buy some sweets in the supermarket. Barry visits me in the afternoon. She plays with Finn. Then we listen to music and watch a film. Alicia goes for a walk with Finn in the park. In the evening, Barry goes home. My father makes dinner. After that, we watch TV. Then we go to bed. Read the text. Underline the verbs. They are all in the simple present.